Hi everyone, it's Miss Owsiany. I'm the music teacher here at Milton-Union Elementary. I teach kindergarten through 5th grade. This is my 6th year upcoming at Milton-Union and my 11th year teaching music overall. This year in music, some things to look forward to. We'll be learning all about different instruments, different styles of music, how to read and write music, different songs. So there's a lot to look forward to this year. Masks will be required. So here's what I'll look like with my mask on. And this is how I'll be most of the day. Another thing that's going to be required in music this year is we will have assigned seats. So I have marked across the room different colored dots that show the different seating arrangements so that we'll be properly socially distanced. Also, on this side of the room, we have our attendance charts, and that's part of our PBIS system, which is our positive behavior system. I have attendance, but then part of that chart also, once the student has their name card in the attendance chart, they have an opportunity to earn positive points for my classroom, and once they reach a certain number of points, they'll actually be able to earn some sort of treat or reward. So those are some great things that we have to look forward to this year, and I'm really excited to have everybody back, and I'll see you in September.